Monday morning. We're just gonna vlog today. You saw I had breakfast and I'm about to head out for a chiropractor appointment, which I need because I did leaves yesterday and put down a new living room rug. And I'm sore. So we'll get an alignment. I gotta go to Food Lion to find bread for my sandwiches because Walmart didn't have the one I wanted. And then we're going to come back and quickly clean the house and hopefully start on some Christmas baking. Usually I start with the spritz cookies, but because I'm so sore, I don't know that I want to spend the day doing 2 cookies. So I think I've decided I'm going to do the sugar cookies. That way it's just 1 cookie I'm doing today, get those done. And then I can work on the spritz cookies next weekend. My little doggy. I think he knows I'm leaving, so he is trying to be as close to me as he can be. Yeah, I love you. All right, well, I will check on you as we get errands knocked out, and then we'll see what else we do today. All right, well, he got me adjusted. I mean, I know it doesn't do anything for the soreness from yesterday, but I need to retouch up this hair now that he yanked my head around, because I'm gonna run straight over to Food Lion real quick to get what I need, and then that way we can get home and get started. Thinking if I can get the house cleaned and everything prepped for cookies, that would be good. And then his hair, that way maybe like right after lunch I can like kind of start, get the cookie dough made, and then probably pause and clean and then set up for the rolling it out and baking part. There we go, that's better. All right, but we're gonna head over to Food Lion and get some sort of roll bread, something for my lunches. Decided to get some pretty flowers. Haven't had any. They probably won't last long, but whatever. I did a couple things. I got the cookie cutters, the new ones out, and I found my storage container for Christmas. But we're going to start on cleaning. So obviously bathrooms are always first. So we're going to go ahead and get started on those. And then I'll dust and vacuum. I'm not going to touch the kitchen. I'm going to clean that after we're done baking because I know I'm going to make a mess. It just happens. So, but let's get the cleaning done so I can move to baking, because I'd like to get the dough made, break for lunch, the rolling out stuff after I've eaten, I think is the plan. So I put toilet paper in here, but I need to get a fresh package down. And it's time to order because I'm out. So I'll probably have to make sure I do that today. hopefully Amazon will actually have some, because the last time I looked, they were out. So we'll see. But we'll restock this and then go restock the bathrooms themselves, which I think mine's the only one that needs some. And I've already taken some cleaning stuff to the bathroom.
Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be, 'cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, because of all of the lies. Yeah, you don't need to disguise your face.
All right, I finished cleaning. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired and I'm sore. I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. It's about 10 o'clock. So I'll take a break. I took like a 15-minute break. I want to get this going. The sooner it's done, the sooner I can relax for the rest of my day. So the first thing I need to do is try and take care of some of these dishes so I have less of a mess, because we're gonna make a mess. So I'm gonna wash the cookie cutter real quick, but I want to dry and put all this other stuff away so we have kind of a fresh surface. And I did take out 2 sticks of butter earlier because they had to be room temp and I wanted that taken care of. So I have my recipe here from my Copy Me That app. I use this for like saving any and all recipes, but this one's really easy. We don't have a ton of ingredients, which is nice. But let me get out what I need and any measuring cups.
I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.
I got a new apron for baking. I couldn't resist it when I saw it, so went ahead and got it.
I can't really take it anymore. The stress is building up inside my heart. The clock is ticking, the time is up. The way I feel it, I think it's done. Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. I wanna find out now, 'cause you got me running all over this town.
The cookies are done. We're just gonna let these cool for a while, and then I will put them in this with a little saran wrap and put it in the freezer. And I already wiped that area off, and I did this counter because I wanted to put my Alexa back. Obviously I need to finish dishes, so I'm gonna let these dry, take a quick break, make a phone call. We'll come back and dry this stuff so I can put it away because I want to put the cookie cutters up. And then we're going to get down the cookie press from up there and swap out what needs to go back. I'm going to leave the pans out because I'm doing the other cookies next weekend. And it's a pain in the butt to put these in the cupboard. So I'll probably just put like a clean dish towel over the top just to cover it. And I want this cleaned up so I can do the second load of laundry. I already put in the clothes load, but I'm waiting to do towels till we're done with all that.
'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me.
The kitchen's cleaned up. I do need to run the vacuum in here real quick, so I'm gonna do that. And then these are gonna sit out for quite a while longer because they gotta be really cool before I go and throw them in the freezer. But we're done with that. I'm thankful. Now I got one load of laundry I'm about to transfer.
Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face. Your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay. It's okay.
Just transferred the last load of laundry. I thought I was filming, but I was not. But I think we're gonna wrap this up here because I am not doing anything else for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna chill, take it very slow. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today as we started Christmas baking. And I'm pretty sure I'll do another vlog next weekend when I do the rest of them. I'm not doing like a formal Christmas baking video this year. So thanks for watching, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.